Hi everyone, this is Auntie Tootie from Pen Pals Writing Club, and today I'm featuring a book that I read recently by Latoya Wakefield. It's called Jamaican Mango Talk the Good Things Them. Very interesting book. Listen to a part of it. In the land of wood and water, there was a bird them called Jamaican Mango. Her word sweet like East Indian mango, and she always bring the good up vibes. Jamaican Mango believe in the Jamaican pride. She always tell people to be proud and believe in themselves. Yo Mango, what make you always seem more confident and happier than everybody else? A which nectar you depend? Jamaican Mango shook her head and said, I just want to grow. My mother and father tell me to tell myself the good things them. You mean the good thing them like the song where them lizards they make up? Yes, sir. The good things them, she laughed. But them still never understand what she mean. So them question her even more. Jamaican Mango decide to show them what she talk about. She gather the steamer tail, the yellow-billed Amazon, the Patwa, the Beckard, and the spotted rail. Me go teach you, she say. She tell them that actions follow words, so it best them tell themselves things that will make them feel and behave proper. So una go repeat after me, Zine? Them say, chirp chirp, in reply. Me go teach you 5 things for telling yourself daily. First one, nobody opinion of me, no more than me opinion of me. Them repeat it. Some no say too right or too loud. No man, you no need to say it loud and clear. Nobody opinion of me, no more than me opinion of me. Nobody opinion of me no more than me opinion of me. Them say together. Say it again, she said, and them do it. Now, that's just an excerpt from the book. I really enjoy this book. I like the dialect, of course, in Jamaican Creole, and the beautiful illustrations that are throughout the book. And it features the birds, and I love birds. So I think Latoya did a very good job with this book, and I want you to pick up a copy and read the rest of it. And guess what? For your children, you have a coloring area, a nice coloring book to the back so they can get their designs on. So that's it for now. As they say, encourage your children to read because good readers make good leaders. Have a fantastic day. Bye bye.